Hi, my name's Cliff. I'm the head of construction and engineering at the Milton Keynes College Group. Well, obviously, trade knowledge is really important because we want you to have those skills and that knowledge to be able to pass on to our students. But just as important is enthusiasm. We want to engage our students. We want them to want to work in your trade as well. So it really is a combination of the two. And of course, a willingness to learn. You're moving into a learning environment and all of us end up learning on a day-to-day basis. Well, first and foremost, there's the knowledge part and the skills that you've developed. But on top of that, there's some of the softer skills you'd have developed whilst working in construction as well that will be really helpful. Things like people management, how to speak to people, how sometimes to deal with people that perhaps are having a bad day, how to deal with people that are having a good day, and how to plan your work and how to be organised. It's all about unlocking opportunity. It's opening doors for people, providing our students the chance to embark on new careers that they didn't even dream were possible, and making sure that they have a route to get into their chosen career. The short answer to that is that there isn't a typical day, which is probably one of the best things about the job, really. Is no 2 days are the same. You may spend time during your day teaching students. You may spend time during your day meeting with employers or undertaking CPD. You might spend time in your day marking or planning your next lesson or meeting with your peers to plan a wider project. There's so many things that happen during the course of a day that it's impossible to pin it down, and that's the real beauty of it. You never get bored. So you don't have to be a qualified teacher to join us. You can join us with no teaching experience at all. And if that's the case, then one of the key pieces of support that we put in place is helping you to become a teacher. There are formal qualifications you can do, but alongside that is a whole host of support that you can receive in developing into becoming a teacher. We also want our staff to be really highly qualified and have the cutting edge skills that industry needs. So we'll always make a point of undertaking CPD with our staff. So for example, all of our painting and decorating tutors have now been trained in HVLP spraying and in airless spraying for application of paint. All of our electricians have been trained how to install solar panels, and all of our bricklaying and carpentry tutors have undertaken retrofit qualifications because it is so important that everyone continues to develop. In short, we don't have enough electricians. There aren't enough electricians out there. Anyone who's working in industry can tell you that. And the only way we can fix that problem is by having more electricians and by training more electricians. And to do that, we need qualified, keen, enthusiastic electricians who want to pass on their skills. It's a really rewarding way of using your skills in a different way. It's a way of influencing so many different people's lives and just making the whole world a better place, really.